So Andrew asked, how do I create those fancy captions? And I just discovered this feature maybe yesterday while I was browsing around the internet, as one does. So let me show you how I create them in a ScreenFlow app. So I use ScreenFlow to, basically record my screen and record the video. Basically everything pipes into ScreenFlow. Then I either export to DaVinci to automatically add captions, and that way I can have the SRT file for YouTube. But for when I'm making like Reels and TikToks and things like that, I want the captions on the screen. So, and that's where the fancy captions come in. I haven't been able to find a way to do this unless I use a third-party app. So let's just jump in and show you how it's done. So I have a project open. This is one I just created today. And what I want to do is basically we're just going to file and export. And over here in preset, we're going to do audio only. I don't know the differences, but I just have been choosing that one. And let me create a new folder here. Let's see, downloads, new folder. We're just going to name this one test, just for fun. Open. All right, so we're going to export the audio. And then if I go to downloads test, we have the audio there. So that's good. All right, so now let's close these out. We'll open up an app called Descript. It is a paid app, but I'm on the free plan, and I've been able to do it with the free plan so far. I think you only have like 56 minutes of time on the free plan. So anyway, you just create a brand new project. You do video project. From here, we're just going to say testing and add a file. And then from there, we're going to add our audio file and hit done. Now that it's complete, what you want to do is, well, the first thing, I changed the background. Whoops. And I pick like a bright green for a green screen. I come up to actions and type in insert captions. And what that does is that puts them on the screen there. By default, it's the purple, but we can play and you can see it, going through there. And I think there's options you can actually change all this stuff, but I just been doing the kind of the default. I add the shadow. I've been doing white and then just picking some random color that I think looks good with whatever background I'm using in the video. Hit publish and download. And let's put this in the test folder we just created. Once the download completes, we are done with Descript, and we will switch back over to ScreenFlow. Open up that file that exported, just drag it to your library, and then drag that onto your screen, kind of like that. And there you go. So now what I do is just crop it down, to where it's basically just the text. Then go up to the video, and you want to go down to filter and effects, and you want to click on chroma key, which removes the green screen from it. Hit add, and then we just bring it down to wherever we want it. And as you can see, now we have cool little captions. So it's pretty simple, but that's a quick way of doing it. If you have long videos, you probably will have to pay for Descript, but that's the easiest way I found. If you've got any ideas or tips on how to improve this process, let me know.